What's going on, guys? Quick update here for the 2015 Charger. Got something in the old Holley Sniper. So we're gonna open it up and go off to the dyno, do it before pull and then after. A few days later, can't do the same pull the same day, so they won't let me change the intake in between runs. So here's the Sniper intake. I can't find any videos on it, so sucks it's made in China, you know, Western Alaska, but oh well. So let's go ahead and open it up. Package pretty nice. There it is, the sheet metal intake for a 2015 and up Dodge 5.7. So pretty nice intake. Let's get it out of the box here. I've never put one of these on. I've never put one of these on, especially that Coyote, which definitely helps for the long runners. But I never did it with that car, so do it with this one. And let's open it up here. Like a pretty nice intake. So again, we're going to do before and after dyno pulls. I don't know that it'll make any power, just based off the Edelbrock one, but you can kind of see inside there the runners. It's a really nice piece though. It's all TIG welded aluminum. It has the goofy Hemi oil fill cap, so it's kind of dead giveaway if it's a Hemi intake. Pretty lightweight. So let's take it over here. So there's that. Again, I'm going to try to install it this weekend. We'll see. Definitely going off the dyno right now. Again, I never took the Coyote swap SN to the dyno. Wish I would have, but oh well. You live and learn. So I'm going to do that with this one. Again, Sniper intake. We'll see if it makes any power. Again, it has a mild cam, 6.4 cam. Shorty BBK headers, full exhaust except for the catalytic converters. So, but we'll change those in the future. So, there's the Sniper. It's a pretty big intake. It should fit under stock hood. It doesn't look like it's a whole lot taller than this the stock 5.7 one, but well, stay tuned, guys, and you'll see it installed, and it'll be before and after dyno pulls with it. Hopefully it makes some power. I'm predicting it's going to make a little more torque, probably not more horsepower. It might actually lose on the bottom end, maybe gain a couple on the top end, but we'll see. So well, thanks for watching. I'll keep you guys caught up with the dyno pool coming up. So again, I'm as it says right now, I'm hoping, we'll say, and it could be anywhere 350 to 370. I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but I think they dyno at about 320, give or take. So Obviously, Mustang dyno differs than a Dynojet, so we'll see. This will be a Dynojet. I gotta get the right model. I don't remember the model off the top of my head, so. Well, thanks for watching again, guys. All right, peace.